Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for a Dollar Tree DIY. I'm having so much fun and happy to be back into it and just going through my stash and just finding so many things. So let me show you. I have one of the black just plain candles, and I'm just going to take that off so I have a nice base there. And then I do see that I have this area here, so I will most likely put my stuff on top of that area to make sure it's nice all the way around. The other things I have is some glitter vase filler. There's 110 pieces in there. I have some twine. This is from the automotive department. And then these little signs here. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to be using this cute little pumpkin one. It's super sweet. I don't do scary or anything that's kind of like I don't believe in the black cats crossing. So I'm going to do this super cute trick-or-treat pumpkin. I'm going to take this little guy off of here. And we're going to start with the twine. I have my hot glue going. And I'm going to start right here at the top. And just get that started. And then I'm going to take my hot glue, or not my hot glue, my twine. And I definitely do not want to burn my fingers. So I'm just going to go around. And I'm not worrying about crossing over. I actually like it to be somewhat crossed over, so I'll be doing that on purpose. And I definitely want it to stay. So I will put, I'm stepping on my cord. I will put hot glue as I'm going. So, as you know, I just record as I'm going, so we can talk and I'll fill in some space. I say this because, as most of you know, who follow me on Instagram. If you don't, it's the same. Beauty and the Stamper is where you'll find me on Instagram. And I've been going to a lot of concerts. And I've been getting a lot of questions because I don't post it, but the people I go with post pictures of me. And I sometimes drink. That has almost dried already, so I want to make sure that it has not dried. But I do not get drunk, and I know I don't have to explain myself, but sometimes people get the wrong idea just from social media, and I've had people question me, like, there are some pictures there that display me giving middle fingers. Now, let me tell you about my middle fingers. That is all love, believe it or not. It is something that my brother did. In every picture, I don't know why. I don't know why boys do it, but they love to do it. And so I'm just going right back up here. I'm not worrying about the hot glue, and I'm going to end it right here. Anyways, boys do it, and my brother was just one of the boys who always did that. He lived a fun lifestyle. He loved to ride motorcycles. He had tattoos. Now, he was a good Christian boy too. So, but for us, he always would just give the middle finger in all his pictures. And then it just came after he passed and we were putting funeral pictures together that we realized there were a lot of pictures with him giving the middle finger. So all the cousins had gotten together at his funeral, which is actually 4 years ago last night, while I was at a Willie Nelson concert. I'm going to put this off to the side and I'm going to start building a bow here. While I was at the Willie Nelson concert, so for my bow, I'm going to put this away around and then I'm going to tie it like I always do on my bows. But I'm going to give it a few layers. So he had gone to see Willie Nelson before he passed away. And I was so, not jealous, but you know how, oh, I wanted to go see Willie Nelson. So when Willie Nelson came to town, it was like, oh, that is a bucket list item for me for sure. So I went and saw him last night. And I go to a lot of concerts, as you can tell if you follow my social media. So with that said, my cousins and I at his funeral had taken a picture. And, you know, everybody noticed that he had the middle finger because we said, this is who he is. We're going to leave them in his little legacy video. So when we went to take our family picture of all the cousins together, there were a handful of people who gave the middle finger. And it was so funny because it was just a little tribute to him, a little bit of fun, nothing malice at all. So there were a group of us who now every time we go to a concert or we're out camping and the other ones aren't there, we send pictures of us having a good time with our middle fingers out. And it's just our way to tell them, believe it or not, that we love them and we miss them. And so sometimes I get random pictures with middle fingers and sometimes they get random pictures with middle fingers. I don't necessarily post them on my social media, but my cousins do post them and they tag me in it. So that is why you will sometimes see pictures with my middle finger out. So all that just to say there are reasons to my madness. So I am going to take this little guy and I'm going to cover up that hole with this little bow, but I'm trying to see what the best way is because I don't want to cover up too much of that trick or treat. And so I think this is probably the best way to go. Oh, that was my Amazon delivery. So I'm just going to put that there around the hole, and then I'm going to put that right there. So I've got this cute little trick or treat. It's got some glitter, and it's got some nice twine. Make it a little bit of a rustic there. And then I'm going to come back here and I am going to put this guy right on here. And I'm going to kind of put it toward the top, but not high enough that a flame can reach it, right? So I'm going to put it there. I'm going to cover up most of this, this guy here. So I'm going to put that right down the middle, and I'm going to put plenty of glue there. And I'm going to put this up high enough again where I can see, and let me show you the back, you can, or the side, if you will. I'm just going to hold that there for a little bit. So I know this is a quick and easy little doohickey, but I think he is so cute. Gives a great little, there we go. I think I'm going to get my holder to hold this so that it doesn't go roaming all over the place because we're not done. Remember, I have these glitter glass fillers, and so I'm going to go around these with that. So I know, instead of fast forwarding, I wanted to share a little bit with you guys. And so I told my little story. And let me know what you think. Do you want to hear the stories, or do you want to hear the fast forward? Did you fast forward and you're not even listening to any of this? And trust me, I know how it is. I do it, but I'd rather know, because if I can fast forward it for you, that'll work. Some people like to hear the little stories, and people often ask about my life, and I appreciate each and every one of you. But I also understand that you might have your time set aside for something else. So here we go. We're going to just start gluing these on. And I'm gluing them one at a time. And the reason I'm doing it is because I want to make sure I could do just a line and then go all the way around. But I think I just want to make sure that it sits next to each other and doesn't roll away. And these are so cute. I must admit that these are super cute. This little holder is from my Stampin' Up! Storage Solutions, and it was the packaging, and I use it to hold any round items. It's so nice. I think I picked out enough of these. So you guys used to share a lot of your DIYs with me and your cards with me, and then I gotta tell you, something happened, and I don't know what it was. I know I wasn't doing as many DIYs, but I got a little frustrated because YouTube just kind of like stopped showcasing me, and you guys weren't getting notified, and so I was like, what's going on here? But it seems like so many are getting notified again, which I think is awesome. And then I'm doing the DIYs again. So you guys used to send me all your pictures of what you did, either copy what I did or something you'd like to see. And I must say, I do miss that. So if you want to show me what's going on here? Oh, there we go. If you want to show me your creations, I do love to see them. So today is my daughter's birthday. I also have a poker tournament to go to. I also have a Doobie Brothers concert to go to, but it's also my aunt's birthday, the one who passed away. So had sent out one more. Here we go. I sent out my my heartfelt hellos to my cousins that was their mom, and I miss being able to be with them because they're in California and I'm in Arizona. Look, I only had two, and I may put one here at the top. I'm not. Yes, I will. That is so cute. That is cute. Oh, there's my, I was doing so well. I was doing so well. Did that even get on camera? There we go. All right, look at how adorable this is. So I don't have any children with me anymore. So when we do pumpkins, it's probably at their house if we do them at all. Otherwise, their family does their own. But look at how cute it is all the way around. And you could even put some of these little balls on the back if you'd like. But I think this is just super cute. A nice little candle. And I will take a picture so you can see it forward. But again, I don't do the pumpkin carving, but having just little spritzes of pumpkin laying around. I do love it. All right, my house is almost all falled up. If you would like to see it, let me know. I look forward so much to talking with you guys each and every video. So have a wonderful day. And the last thing I'm going to tell you, if you do use this, there are little extra pieces. Make sure you cut those off so that they don't burn. And also you could burn them yourself. So just take a lighter and burn them. And if you could see how they go. See how they go away? I don't know if you could see it or not, but that takes away all the littles so that they won't burn. Woo! That one, don't do that one. Oh, that left a little bit of brown. Okay, I'm done. Don't play with fire, kids. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!